Hey fellow woodcutters, Top Saw here. Short video today on how I'm going to hook up my Festool chop saw to my vac system. I've put together a few garage shops before and I teach high school wood shops, so I've been working on vac systems for a while. The best one at home that I've come up with is put the vac outside the door. So let's go out that back door. There's the vac system right there, and then I plumb it through the wall right there. Nice thing about that is it sound's kept outside and the airborne dust it creates is all outside. From outside it comes through the wall right there, and then I split it into two. That one goes up through the bench to my chop saw. I also have it going over to this router over here, but I'll talk about that another day. And then from here, this 4-inch right here to that 1.5 inch on the Festool. So what I did for that was I bought this adapter from 4 to 1.5. I got it from Electron Whale right here. They're a US company. I think the thing's actually 3D printed. So that's it right there, and you can see the things. So I think they probably do pretty small product runs on it, but you can see it's not gonna fit in here. It's a little too big, so I'm gonna sand that down and try. And then it's not gonna fit in here either, so I'm gonna sand that ring down and try. And then we'll see how it looks. So there's my chop saw right there. It comes up through the bench top. I have a gate right here so you could close that. And then under the bench here, it comes out. This isn't the best. And then I have it to my table saw right here. And then I do have that rockler kind of quick connect like that, and then I have a sweep on that too. So when I'm not using the table saw, I just put this vac hose underneath the bench so you don't walk all over it right there. So let me go sand this thing down and then see how it fits and see if you can even pull 1.5 to 4 and how that works. All right, I got those edges sanded down. Fits in the 4-inch vac hose pretty well. Not perfect. And then on the Festool, it now fits in there. The Festool hose fits in there, so that's where it goes. So that, hook it up right there. Gates open. Oh, one piece I forgot. Even though the vac's outside, I have a remote on and off switch from ShopFox. So this turns it on right here. And that's it. All right, well, I think that's kind of the update on this whole vac system. Maybe help somebody out a little bit. I do like this connection here. I'm just gonna end with a little test run on it. I'm gonna turn the vac on and the saw is gonna run so you can't hear too well. But you'll see it actually keeps the dust down quite a bit. I like that 4-inch hose. I kind of like it standardized. I also am gonna fix this here and have it come on and off here with the thumb screw. Thing pivots around so it does stay out of the way. And then that goes over here on this router for a 4-inch pickup. So let me go ahead and turn the vac on. Finish adjustment to it right here. Actually, I think that video picked it up pretty well. That dust got scooped up there pretty good and into the 4-inch hose pretty well. I mean, I guess ripping a ton of dados and MDF will be the real test. But hopefully that helps somebody out. I appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. Thank you.